Hi, kids. So we've come to the end of our fourth week of online learning. I'm really proud of all of you. You're doing a great job, and you're persevering and using your growth mindset even when things are tough and challenging. So well done to everyone. Keep learning. Now, my assembly today is called Do the Little Things Right. And I think it's really, really important that we do the little things right. We get our little behaviors and actions right. Because by doing that, it makes the big things easier. Now, let me give you a quick example. If at the end of a learning day at home, you take the time to tidy up your work area, that's a small thing. It might take 3 minutes. But what that means is the next day, when you sit down to do your work, everything is in the right place and it makes a big thing, your learning, easier. So a small thing like tidying up your workspace makes a big thing easier. And that's what I'm talking about when I say do the little things right. Now I'm going to give you four more examples. Now the first one is manners. Manners are a very small thing. Saying please, saying thank you, and being polite, very small, easy to do, but they have a huge impact on how people feel about you. If you can make people feel good by being polite, that is a really, really big thing. So do a small thing, remember your manners, and people will feel really good about you. Second one, tidying up your things. Now, I think you probably knew I was going to say that, but tidying up your things is super important, especially now when we're all at home together all the time. Tidying up your things doesn't take that much time, and it means two things. It means that you know where your toys are, you know where your pens and pencils are, you know where everything is, and it adds to family harmony, which is really important right now when we're all living together all the time. So, little thing, put your things away. Big thing, family harmony, and you know where everything is the next day. So take time to do that. The third thing is to stay organized. Now, organizing things doesn't have to take a long time. What I do every day is I take 5 minutes at the beginning of the day and 5 minutes at the end of the day just to look at what's going on for the day or the next day. And I promise if you do that, if you spend 5 minutes at the beginning of your day getting organized, and then 5 minutes at the end of your day getting organized for the next day, everything will be easier. So, organized, everything else is easier. A small thing makes a big thing easier. Now, my last thing I want to talk to you about, and this might be a surprise actually, but I want you to make your bed. You say, but Miss Lyle, make my bed. But but why? Because it's a small thing that means that you start the day winning. If you make your bed, you are getting organized. You are showing your parents that before you even brush your teeth or change out of your pajamas, you are a mature young person and you are responsible. So it's a win-win situation. It's a small thing that has a really big impact. So please remember to make your bed. Now, let me just remind you of the four things I've just talked about. One, remember your manners. Two, tidy up your things. Three, stay organized. And four, make your bed. All right, if you do those four things, I promise you that those are little things that you can do right that have a really big impact on the big things. It makes everything else easier. All right, everyone. That's my assembly for this week. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic long weekend. Uh, Please remember to take time to do these little things. And if you do, let me know how it goes. I'd be really interested to know if you do the little things, does it have an impact on what happens? I'd love to know. Let me know. Drop me an email. And I also want you to make sure that you're pressing hand in on your assignments. All right, everybody, have a great weekend and be true. Bye bye.